In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize Shopify email templates with Klaviyo. By the end, you will be able to pull in an existing Shopify email template, customize it inside Klaviyo, export the HTML, and then paste that code into the correct notification in Shopify. This is a great way to keep your branding consistent and make sure the email content matches what you want your customers to see. To begin, open Klaviyo, then go to the Content section. From there, look for Templates. This is where Klaviyo lets you work with reusable templates that you can tailor to your audience and campaigns. Once you are on Templates, click Template Type. You will want to choose Shopify because that tells Klaviyo you are working with a Shopify email template workflow. After you select Shopify, you should see options for specific Shopify templates available in Klaviyo. Next, select the Shopify template that matches the email you want to customize. After you pick the right template, click Use Template. This step is important because it loads the template into the editor so you can make changes without starting from scratch. Now you will customize the template. Use the editor to adjust the content and layout in whatever ways are available for that template. For example, you may change text, update sections, or refine the design elements that are editable. Take a moment here to review the template carefully so the final email looks right and is aligned with your message. When you are satisfied with your changes, save the template in Klaviyo. Saving ensures your updates are stored and ready to export. After saving, you will move on to exporting the template code. In the Klaviyo editor, click the three-dot menu, which is shown as a vertical ellipsis. From that menu, choose Export. This is where you will get the raw HTML from your customized template. After you choose Export, copy the HTML code. Make sure you copy the entire block exactly as it appears. This copied HTML is what you will paste into Shopify, so Shopify can use your customized version. Next, switch over to Shopify. In Shopify, go to Settings, then find Notifications. Notifications is where Shopify controls the emails your store sends, such as order confirmations and other transactional messages. Once you are in Notifications, open the matching notification for the email template you just worked on. It is important to select the correct one, because each notification has its own email body and HTML area. Now you will replace the email body, specifically the email body in HTML, with the HTML code you copied from Klaviyo. Paste the code into the correct HTML field. Take a moment to verify that the paste happened cleanly and that you did not miss any characters or formatting. After pasting the code, use the preview option if it is available in Shopify. Previewing helps you confirm that the email renders as expected, and that images, spacing, and formatting look correct. If something looks off, you can return to the editor, adjust in Klaviyo, export again, and paste the updated code. When everything looks good, click Save in Shopify. Saving the notification confirms that your store will now use the updated HTML for that email. This final save is the step that actually makes the change live for future sends. To wrap up, you customized a Shopify email template inside Klaviyo, exported the HTML, and then inserted that HTML into the corresponding Shopify notification, followed by saving and previewing. That covers everything you need to know.